Good morning. It is a beautiful late September day here in the Toronto area. Just breaking out a little update on the GTR R35 brakes. As you recall, this is a 2015 GTR Premium, nothing fancy. We have upgraded the brakes. We have kind of a mini big brake kit going on here. So stock calipers. These are sawtooth rotors from Vivid Racing. I got them on clearance, so I don't think they're even making them anymore, but they're out to 400 millimeters. They're cross drilled with the slots, kind of cut through there. What do we got? Endless MX72 brake pads. The calipers are spaced out, I think something like 10 millimeters, just to get them over these rotors. It looks like we've got just enough coverage with the pads as well, so it looks like it's covering the entire kind of rotor area. If you want to sweep there, you'll notice the burnt titanium tips on these wheel studs from Titanium Works. Just some standard aluminum lug nuts right now. I'm saving for titanium. Rohana wheels, RFX11s in the 20 by 10.5 up front, and we've got the Michelin. What are these? The PS4s, I think, or PSS 285/35. Moving on to the rears. That's me. Hello. We have custom rears. Now, Vivid didn't have the kind I wanted to match, so these were made up custom by the good folks at Paragon Brakes. I'll put a link in the description. They've also provided spacers. However, they were not quite enough to clear these rotors. You see, it's really tight up there. So my buddy at Next Auto actually added a couple of washers just to kind of space out the spacer a little bit more and got us just enough clearance to where we get here. Again, titanium lug nuts. These are extended lugs. Sorry, not lug nuts. Titanium wheel studs. These are extended, so I could put some spacers on without having to, use that bolt-on scenario. Let's see here. Oh, stainless steel brake lines. These are HEL Performance brake lines. I'm not sure you can't really even get in there and see them. I got them in purple. I don't know why, because you can't see them. Endless MX72 Plus brake pads as well here in the back. Rohana RFX11s in the 20 by 12 fitment. I forgot what the offset is. Like 22, maybe. Can't remember. We have a different set of Michelins on the back. Actually, these are. I don't even remember which one these were. The PS4s, I think. So no, the Super Sports. We have the MPSS back here and the PS4s up front there. It was just an availability thing at the time. They seem to work very well. I don't really track the car, so I've never really had to test the performance at the limit, so I couldn't tell you about balancing and bias and anything like that when it comes to the rims and the tires. Moving around the back. Hello, Kate. Not much different on this side except that the rims are gold. I've always been kind of the asymmetrical guy. Yes, I'm a racer. I don't care. I think I touched a curb during yesterday's photo shoot, so that's dirty there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you want to see any more about the suspension or the brakes. We did cover the air suspension previously, but I don't think I've got any content up of actually moving up and down because we've had some line problems that we're still just buttoning up. So thank you very much. Enjoy, and leave any questions or comments in the appropriate section. Thank you.